Hello bro, what's up bro? Welcome my YouTube channel bro. I am come here again video. Okay bro, I am around the Dubai South area. Okay bro, you see my video and look and comment and again video. Okay, let's go bro, let's go. Oh bro, look at this bro. What is this? It's building repair. Wow. Hey. This is a cat. She's very sad mood. Why? Okay, bye, cat. Okay, bro. Another. Oh no. What this? Okay, look at these guys. Inside have another cat. Oh, go. Okay, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this. She is very sad. Hey, bro. Oh, bro. Look at this, bro. What is this? Parrot? No, parrot. Oh, I don't know. I don't know name, bro. I don't know. Okay, bro. She's go. YOLO. Okay. You know this one delivery bike. Okay. This new building. Okay, bro. Another site. Oh my! I am forget the road. Bro. I forget. No. This one. Okay, bro. Look at these guys. Look at this. Okay, bro. Look at this. This very beautiful house, huh? Very beautiful house, bro. Bro, you see? Do you see? What the? I don't tell. Okay. I don't tell bad word. Okay, bro. Look at this, bro. Side. Okay, bro. This one. Al Bada. I don't know. It's Arabic have English have. Okay, bro. This is a location. This location in Satwa, and this location Al Bada Road is the you see. Okay, bro. This one have a local village. Have another one the site and building or repairing. Okay, bro. Look at this, bro. This too much parrot have, and I think, bro. What do you think? I don't know. Okay. And did you see the too much car and? Okay, bro. This side village and building this house and think and too much. Do you see? Too much parrot. I think this road, beach road. No. This road and main road. Okay, bro. This road main road. I am forget. This road main road. Did you see the airplane? Oh my god, bro. You see? Very nice, bro. Very nice. Okay, bro. Don't have a car. Okay, I'm cross the main road. Don't have a car. This one car have. Too much vehicle have. I am cross the main road. And cross, yes, bro. This side too much vehicle have. I waiting for Okay, bro. I am crossed another road. Okay. I am very exact. This side, I don't know. This is a parking area. I am crossed the parking area, bro. I am crossed the parking area. It's repairing. Yeah. This one repairing. This one repairing. Oh my god, bro. Okay, bro. I'm come here this bike park and delivery bike park. Okay, did you see the delivery bike? Too much bike, too much hard work, bro. Too much hard work, bro. Do you want to yeah, want to bike? Yes, my bike you take. I no problem. Okay, bro. You see this parrot? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Hey, bro. Again another cat. Hey, bro. Hey, where I go? Come here, bro. Come. I don't know. She is not coming. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. I am going the inside road and a small road. Did you see the small road? Okay. This one on the villa. This Dubai country say no house and only villa. Too much villa have. You see the too much villa. Oh, main road. Oh my god. This one electric. I don't know what is this, bro. Or repairing. Did you see the villa? Where I go, bro? I don't know. I forget the road. I'm forget, bro. Road. I'm forget. Okay, bro. Again, small road. Again. Oh, this one, bro. This one too much. I don't know. Too much old. It's a broken house. Broken house, bro. Broken. Very exactly broken, bro. I don't know. You see? Area. It's a ghost have, okay. Too much ghost. I think ghost. Who is this ghost? Okay, bro. I'm come here vehicle park. Bro, I'm come here vehicle park. Oh my god, I'm come here vehicle park. Okay, bro, I'm come here vehicle park. What do you want? Vehicle. I give one vehicle. It's all vehicle mine, no problem. You want a vehicle, I will give. Okay, bro. Okay, I am going to another area. I'm going to another area, bro. And I'm going to where I am going, I don't know. I think, bro, I'm going to the beach. Okay. I will wait you. Okay, bro. You see the another again cat? Did you see? Again cat have. Hey, bro. Bro. Come here. I don't know. This is not coming. I don't know. She is not coming. I am going, bro. I am going. Okay, bro. Again. Very beautiful, bro. Very beautiful area, bro. Do you see the Dubai flag? Very nice, bro. Very nice. Repairing very bro, too much repairing, bro. Too much. Did you see the too much repairing, bro? Okay, bro. I am here. Another road. Okay, bro. I am check the location. I think I am here. Here is Satwa Road. I don't know, bro. Location is not name. No have a name. I think this Satwa Road. Yes, bro. This area. Very beautiful, bro. Very beautiful. You see the very beautiful, bro. Okay, bro, waiting for you. Okay, bro, waiting. I am again go. Did you see, bro? Too much, very very beautiful, bro, location. I think this. Oh my god. Okay, Did you see the location? And I think it's a most, huh? Yeah, most. Okay, bro. Again, I am come here. Main road again. Main road again. What is this, bro? What is this? Again, main road. Oh my God, bro. Okay, I'm not. No. I am not cross the main road. Yeah, I am don't cross main road. Okay, I am stay here. Why? It's very beautiful, bro. You see main road? Very beautiful. I think this main road beach side. Yeah, beach side. No, bro. This beach side. No. This side. I don't know, bro. What is this side? Did you see the bus stand have? Other side. This side I don't know. This most. Oh, this what is this Sri Lankan name, man? Hindi, Rata Hindi. Sri Lankan names I don't know English name. Comment section please. This English name I don't know. Okay, bro. Very beautiful, bro. Very beautiful. What is this? Oh, you are think this Sri Lankan name Otua. I don't know English name. Did you see the Otua? It's Otua. I don't know English name, bro. Bro, Sri Lankan name Otua. I don't know English name. What is this name English? Please comment section. Fighting, please, bro. It's very beautiful, bro. I don't know. Very exactly, bro. Very exactly. Okay, bro. I'm again walking. Why? Okay, bro. Enough. No, enough. No. Again, this road. Again. Okay. It's very beautiful most, bro. Very beautiful most. This Sri Lankan name Palli, and I think English name most. Yeah. Yes, bro. Very beautiful. Very beautiful area. This garden. Yeah. This very exactly, bro. Bro, what is this? It's again car parking area. This parking area. Oh my God. It's very beautiful garden, bro. You see? There's a car. It's a flower. And you see this flower is a water put the water. This and oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Okay, bro. This very beautiful area, bro. Do you see the most very beautiful, bro? I think very beautiful area, bro. Bro, okay, bro. Oh my God, bro. This very wonderful, bro. Very wonderful. My problem relax, bro. My mind relax. Very beautiful, bro. Okay, bro. Thank you, bro. My video you are safe, and I am stay here. Again, I will come another video. Stay here, bro. Please comment, subscribe, like, and very beautiful, bro. Thank you. Okay, welcome. Bye.